mascarpone. But this is not just dessert, this is reflection. As the pears simmer in wine, sugar, and spice, I can't help but think about transformation, because something powerful happens when you apply heat. The pears soften, the flavor deepens, the color change. It becomes something richer than it was before. And that make me think about Black history, about resilience, about what happens when people are placed under pressure before but refuse to break. History shows us pain, struggle, injustice, but also shows us brilliance, innovation, culture, strength, excellence. This bear didn't choose the heat, but the heat doesn't destroy them, it transformed them. And I think about our ancestors endure unthinkable pressure, yet still create beauty, music, recipe, language, tradition, businesses, communities. No matter how soft the outside becomes, the pear still at his core. Hello my dearest, how you guys doing? This is Rosalinda, your favorite fire inspector. Happy Wednesday, welcome back to my channel. And you guys know that this channel is all about fire prevention, anything related to fire. And for my ladies and gentlemen out there who want to become firefighter, guess what? This is your channel, okay? Or fire prevention inspectors, this is your channel. Not just only we're going to stay there, we're also going to do we're going to talk about Equatorial Guinea, trading in Bioko Island, and also Spain, fashion, lifestyle, cooking, obviously, and everything in between, okay? And beauty, of course, beauty cannot be missing, okay? So today we're going to do a poached pear with wine, okay? I have prepped the pear already from 2 days ago. I actually have my video already, so this is a add-on to my video, okay? So we're going to do a poached pear. The ingredients that you need, I'm going to put it in my description. It's actually wine, okay? Wine, anything from France or Spain, European wine. Then it's going to be cinnamon stick, lemon peel or orange peel. I like it with orange peel. This is a tradition we've been having for years in most places in Europe, all right? And obviously a bit of sugar. I put little sugar because I'm not really a sugar person. And then you let it cook, which before this part of the video, you will see what I have done already in the first part, you know, of my video today. Okay, so I prepped it and put it and let it cold and put it in the refrigerator. So today we're going to actually do the mascarpone, okay? So I already bought the mascarpone, but we're going to mix it a little bit because it's going to go together with the dessert. I wish you guys can see it. Like I said, I already attached videos that when I'm cooking it, okay? So this is it, okay? This is how cute it's looking. Look, the wine, great, 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 all right? So now we are actually going to do the mascarpone. All right, so it's already 10 o'clock at night. I'm so tired because I wake up most of the time at 3 a.m. because I have to be at work before 4 o'clock in the morning, or most of the time 5:30 the latest, okay, if there's no traffic. All right, so what we're gonna need for the part of mascarpone, obviously mascarpone, you can find it in the cheese. So yeah, like I was saying, you're gonna need the mascarpone, Okay, you can find it in the cheese area at Trader Joe's or any of the stores. Sprout, you can find it there. So I got the big one because I love mascarpone. Okay, so this is mascarpone. It's kind of like a cream cheese. Those are my birds. It's kind of like a cream cheese, right, but sweet. Okay, that. Okay, and then we're gonna need what else? Powdered sugar. I'm just gonna put like a spoon, but because like I said, I don't really like too much sweet. Okay, so powdered sugar, right? And of course, the stuff that I'm gonna be using. Okay, and my stuff. So I'm gonna put. Let me see if we can put it a little bit farther out so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. So now you guys gonna see that I'm gonna put like, okay, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Okay, because like I said, I don't like too much sweet. All right. So I'm trying to see if you guys can see it properly. Yeah. Okay. Right. 1 spoon of sugar and 2 spoons of mascarpone. Can you guys see it? Yeah, 2 spoons. Okay, I already cleaned the kitchen and everything, and you guys know that I don't like a dirty kitchen when I'm cooking. So I already put it, and now we're gonna work on it. I put 2 spoons. All right, 2 spoons, and we are going to blend it. Okay, right? Hopefully it doesn't go it's not easy today. Okay. Uh-oh, it's not working. I should have put a bit of milk. Okay, you guys, hold on a second. I think I'm missing 1 ingredient. So it can be a bit more fluffy. I'm just going to put a bit of milk and see. Okay, this is a new ingredient that I'm adding. Okay, so I did 1 tablespoon of sugar, right? Powdered sugar, okay? And then I did 2 tablespoons of the mascarpone, okay? And I did put a little bit of milk so it can soften the cheese, the mascarpone cheese. And then, right? So I'm going to show you guys in a minute. It's going to look like a whipped cream, okay? So yes, it's really, really good mascarpone. If you guys have it like with honey and bread in the morning with your coffee, it's really good. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so it's done. You guys can see it. I don't know if you can see it. It's fluffy. And now we're gonna get the plate ready. Okay, so this is my cute plate. Can you guys see it? Right now I'm gonna put the pears so you guys can really appreciate it. Okay, so this is it. It's looking pretty. Can you guys see it? Look at it. Look how pretty. Okay, and now you're gonna put the mascarpone close. Okay, so it's gonna be blend. Look at it. I'm going to take a picture of it. Okay, so we are going to try it. It's looking good. It's looking good, good, good. So we're going to try it. Where is my spoon? Look at it. Can you guys see? It's looking so good. The wine has sit in. The mascarpone looks like a whipped cream. It's looking good, but while we're doing this, we are in Black History Month, right? So I wanted to read something for my black. So I'm gonna put every ingredient, all the ingredient on my description note, on my description, right? So like I said, I wanted to read something for my African American family. Okay, I have started it already and I wanted to continue, right? So I'm gonna wear my glasses because half of the time I cannot see. Okay, so I say, and that remains that remind me that identity, true identity survives. Culture survives, roots survive. Wine itself has an ancient roots in Africa and the Mediterranean civilization. Trade, agriculture, craftsmanship, excellence has always existed in our story. We are not just a history of survival. We are history of sophistication, of intelligence and creativity. And now the mascarpone, right? Soft, rich, and elevated, because he elevated actually the poached pear, right? Because today Black excellence isn't just about surviving pressure. It's about thriving, ownership, education, entrepreneurs, and leadership. Right? I wrote this and dedicate to you guys. It's about creating beauty on our own terms. As a mother, I think about what I am passing down. Not just recipes, but identity, confidence, strength. The reminder that even when life turns up the heat, we become sweeter. This Wednesday, I am cooking with the intention, honoring resilience, honoring excellence, honoring those who came before us. Because sometimes the most powerful history lessons are served on a plate. Happy Black History Month. Thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day, evening. And may the rest of your week goes really, really well. Okay, and see you here next week. I'm trying to improve my creativity and my content, so I'm still learning. Be patient with me. Subscribe, and I'm gonna continue with my dessert. You guys have a wonderful night. See you here next Wednesday.